Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fatin Nadia binti Zainuddin. My English teacher, Mr. Han, gave me and all my friends in the class an assignment about ghosts and aliens. I choose a ghost because the ghost has many advantages. The advantage I mean are the ghost can fly on his own. I can go anywhere I want because I don't need another thing to help me to fly. The ghost is invisible. I can do anything and get nobody cannot see me. I also can get close anything. You just name it. Wolf, cat, dog, and many more. Besides, I'm really good. I can be anywhere in any moment. Lastly, the ghost is immortal. When I am immortal, I can help many people, especially my family. Especially my family still like I want to help them when look they're not happy.